Hello friends, today we will see how we can install Elasticsearch on our local machine. So first thing is like you'll have to go to the folder where you have unzipped your Elasticsearch. So within Elasticsearch, wherever you have unzipped your Elasticsearch, in that you will have to go to bin file. After going to the bin file, you can type like command. You can type cmd, and that will open a that will open a command prompt. From there, you will have to type Elasticsearch service and install. It will install all the required. It will set up everything that is needed to run the Elasticsearch. It is like setting up some Java defaults, and post that hopefully it will install the Elasticsearch. We'll wait for a second just to see if it is installing it. We will just go to services just to see the Elasticsearch has been installed. If you can see, the Elasticsearch has been added to the services list. Now you can run it just to make sure you can access it. So that's it, and that is how you can install Elasticsearch. Thank you.